This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, what a lovely morning.
Cut!
Huh? Ouch! My eyes! Don't poke me with these brushes!
How many times should I repeat? You don't have lines here. Just get up silently.
What? I got it. No one needs my talent here. I'm out of here.
Hey, wait! Wow! This is not good. Sue, what are we gonna do now?
Oh, I don't know. She was the only actress to pass the audition.
Oh, Elsa! It's great that you're here. Would you like to take the lead role in our video?
Oh, I was dreaming about it since my childhood. Oh, oh, hey, this really tickles. Oh, hello, everyone.
But there's nothing like this in our script!
Hold on, Sammy. It has some charm. Let her improvise.
The morning of a princess does not start with singing like everyone thinks, but with bad organizing routine, just like all the people do.
What? So she's okay to improvise and I'm not? I won't leave it like that.
No, keep it down. We're shooting here. Who allowed you to fly around, huh?
Firstly, I take a relaxing bath to refresh myself. Let it go, let it go. Na, 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 na.
So this is my chance. Let's see how you're gonna deal with this improvisation.
Huh? Oh no! Where did all my clothes go?
So yeah, and he was like, whoops, here, don't get cold.
Oh, thank you.
Cut! Something is off. Where are all the clothes indeed, huh?
Does it really matter, Sam? Let's keep shooting.
Now it's time to brush my teeth and make them white.
This is a very important secret of any princess. They do this 2 times a day.
So fresh.
I still have this strange feeling the clothes were here and then bam, it went missing. Is this? Oh no! Ghosts here! Ah!
The next step in the princess routine is hairdo and makeup, of course. Now let's make a beautiful braid. Oh, her hair feels amazing. There you go. All done. Now we'll add some eyeshadow. Shine bright like a diamond. And to the other eye too, of course. Let's not forget about some rosy blush. And a bright lipstick. Mwah! Oh, what a color. You look amazing, Elsa. Now you're ready for your breakfast.
Oh, smells good. I wonder what's on the menu today.
What can we cook for a beautiful princess?
I have a great idea. Let's use our secret royal recipe.
Sounds great, Sammy. Let's do this.
Don't forget about the milk, Sue. Our batter needs it.
Oh, thanks for the reminder. By the way, now we need some eggs.
The eggs! But I don't have any money. Oh, what should I do? Psst, I can give you this magical ghost hair for the eggs. What do you say?
What are you doing here? Oh, go back to the set, you two. Now!
I have to do everything by myself again.
Thanks, Sammy. Now we'll add the eggs to our batter. It's easy.
There should be some strawberries, remember?
Let's mix it well now. And the batter is ready.
Now comes the big moment. The oven is ready. Put it inside, Sue.
Let's bake our cake. Oh, wow, it looks amazing. I totally love it. The cake is ready. It only needs to cool down.
Elsa, for the next scene, we prepared a surprise. You have to act like you're amazed.
What do we have here? Cake, huh?
Good luck shooting your non-existent breakfast.
Noise! Places, action!
Oh, but there's nothing here. Is this your surprise?
What? Again? Sue, did you eat it?
Huh? No, why would I eat the cake?
Oh, it's even better. Princesses always eat only healthy food for breakfast.
No problem. We'll whip something up in no time. We've got a variety of fruit and berries here.
There can be only one explanation for this. Ghosts! Come here, you poltergeist!
Sam, stop, it tickles!
Okay, there are no ghosts here. Better check over there.
Sam, where are you going? Who's gonna shoot the video? Okay, then. I give you a raise. Now you're the director.
Okay, I can do it. So healthy breakfast is a big part of a princess morning routine.
The tea is served, Your Highness. And our healthy fruit and berry mix.
So delicious.
Wow,
What, they have to feed her with berries only? Losers! Whoops! Something is wrong! I guess that cake wasn't good at all!
Wow!
So, now we need to find the right fabric for your dress. Oh, you're defo winter type.
Oh, I like this one.
Great! So, we have an order for a royal dress here.
Let's get started. The princess dress will consist of the top and the skirt parts. First come the upper part.
I made the frills. Wow!
Oh, great. Let's make our skirt super fluffy.
Wow! Check this out, Sue. I'm so pretty.
Amazing!
Wow!
Friends, just check this out. We only need to add more decor.
Let me be the fairy godmother for princess. Whoosh! What do you say?
Oh, wow, this dress looks splendid.
Cut! Let's take 5.
They won't get away with it this time. I'm taking it with me. Oh, yeah. Huh? Hey, what's going on? Why?
What happened here?
Aha! Ghosts!
Sam, what are you… Okay, everyone on the spot. Action!
The next step is finding the right accessories.
First, let's deal with the necklace. Which one do you like most?
This one looks very beautiful.
Oh, great choice. But here, we can't choose so easily. We need a professional advice.
I call to you, oh TB-Dabba, scare away the poltergeist from the set. Whoa!
I'm sorry for interrupting.
Ghost! Look out for me! Don't touch me!
Come on, Sam, it's just me. Better help us choose the crown for Elsa.
Your wish is my command. This one looks especially shiny.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow, it's really amazing. Thank you so much.
We need the right shoes for such an outfit.
I would like to offer you something special from our latest collection.
I'm afraid these are too big for a princess.
And maybe this one, another exclusive model.
But no food can fit in here.
Oh, I forgot. I can use my magical wand. Oh, bibbidi bobbidi subscribity.
Wow, this is a perfect fit. Our princess is ready to shine in all her glory.
And this was a regular princess morning routine.
What? The shooting is over. Great job, everybody. Where are you taking me? Still help! Susan!
Congratulations on your success, Elsa. Come on, let's celebrate. Oh, it came out awesome. I still can't believe that we did such a great job.
Huh? Who's there? I hope it's not the ghost or something. Oh,
I'm so sorry. I did all these mischiefs at your film set. I promise I won't do it again.
you! Hail, TB-Dub, I thought we had a ghost here.
It's okay, don't worry. Just come join us.
The last step in the princess routine is to have fun until you fall. Literally.
Oh, you challenging us to a pillow fight? Wow!
Yes, something like that.
Take that! Wow!
We had so much fun today, friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Watch out!
Whoa!
Subscribe to our channel, people, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Welcome to Magic, Your Highness. I thought this delivery from the elf shop would never arrive.
Yeah, lucky us.
Would it hurt you for once in your life to look dignified?
Dignified for what?
Some friends of Elizabeth are coming.
Friends? I beg your pardon. They are the Sophistication Delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom.
The Pish Posh Kingdom? Where's that?
Apparently, that's where our countess learned to wag her tail with such finesse.
Actually, it's where I learned everything there is to know about royal protocol. How to sit, how to speak.
How to roll over and give your paw?
I'll give you a paw, you feral flea bag.
Well, it all sounds very important, Countess, and we should greet our visitors properly.
Thank you, Your Highness. Now, everyone needs to be in ceremonial dress. We simply cannot welcome the Sophistication Delegation in any other way, so chop chop. Come along now.
Why do I have to change? I'm perfect as I am.
Hey, where'd all the clothes go?
Oh, they disappeared.
What?
Cool down, Countess.
Not a stitch of clothing left in the castle.
And nothing out here on the clothesline.
Well, at least our pajamas are still here. I could get used to wearing these all day.
Someone must have snuck in and stole all of our clothes. How could that have happened when a certain cat was on guard duty?
My eyes were open the whole time.
Sounds like someone needs a cuddle!
If someone did take our clothes, I'll find them. Guard's honor.
We absolutely must find the clothes, Your Majesty. We simply cannot allow the Pish Posh delegation to see us dressed like this.
Don't worry, Elizabeth, we will. Go straight on into the throne room and set up. Make sure we get a good shot from every single angle. Ah, Billy! Aren't you the lucky one to have visitors from the Pish Posh Kingdom coming? We decided to come and broadcast the whole thing live so no one misses a thing. But why are you wearing pajamas?
Don't you worry about the princess. She'll be dressed in all her finery by the time the Pish Poshers arrive.
Hope so.
Hey, aren't those my boots?
Look what I found on the road leading out.
Oh, the thief must have dropped it. Let's see if there's more.
Wait for me!
I get that Fiona is busy leading the Pish Poshers to magic, but why do I have to be the one pulling the carriage?
Why did you have to let the thief into the castle?
Look, another sock.
Oh, the thief's leaving a trail.
Did you see anyone going by carrying a bunch of clothes?
Someone stole your clothes too?
Right down to our last seaweed dress.
Oh, my dears, how dreadful! Is the thief taking everyone's clothes?
Let's keep following the trail of socks.
Maybe the news reporters have a scoop on the story. Huh? Clothes thief got you too, huh? It's a big day here at Princess Lily's castle where everything seems to be ready to welcome the delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom. Everything, that is, but the princess herself. Where could the official host of these prestigious guests be, Marie? We caught up with the princess a little while ago, and this is what she had to say about the event. That Billy, always so posh. I just hope she wakes up before the delegation arrives.
Isn't it odd that everyone else has lost their clothes but the twins?
Princess, there's not a moment to lose. We must find our clothing.
Kitty, rickshaw.
Look!
After them!
You must stop them, Your Majesty. You're our only hope.
Be careful, Billy.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
That's weird. They totally ignored you.
Hey, well, if they don't want to talk, I can't say we didn't try.
Hello? 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 It's like they can't see us.
And their eyes look really strange, like they're under a spell.
Of course they're under a spell. Have you ever seen ogres work this hard naturally?
That berry! Did you cast a spell on them?
Who else? That trick takes a lot of talent, you know.
But why? Why are you trying to get rid of all our clothes?
So that when the Pish Poshers come to your castle and see you all in your pajamas, they'll laugh you right out of magic-y. Then Princesses Marie and Antoinette will have all the attention in their fabulous dresses.
So the twin princesses are behind all of this.
Did you think I was sending all these clothes out to be washed?
You stop this right now!
And just how are you going to make me? Ogres?
No one messes with my princess.
Oh, yeah? I'll...
Put a sock in it.
Oh, it stinks.
I think that's one of my socks. Countess Ninja!
Elizabeth, that was awesome.
Yes, but all of our clothes are gone for good now. We have nothing left.
That was so brave of you, Elizabeth. Thank you. And now, I have to ask you to do something even braver. Make sure you don't miss anything.
Introducing the sophistication delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom.
impression no matter what you had on.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness. Magic is so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. You know what? I'll just go to the costume party without a costume.
You're going to a costume party?
Why didn't you say so? We were just pranking you. We're sorry.